What's up, guys? This is Smith. So welcome back with another video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. So we got this fruit-ish drink here, and we are going to explode it in driveway. Oh yeah, you ready?
And what do you say if you burp?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Wait.
Ready? We're going to do it one more time. Where does cap go? Oh, cap broke. I'm wet.
You still use it.
3, 2, 1.
Holy.
Oh, go!
Again!
3, 2, 1.
Wait.
I'm so wet.
I know what to do. Ready?
I'm so
Ready? Here. Ready? Wait, I know what to do.
Okay. That's it for today, Smith. Next time.
No! Ah, my shoe!
Okay. Alright. See you in the next video. Get ready to.
Wait. Let's go do another one.
No, there's only one. Alright, Smith. For next time, peace out, baby. Woo!